Right. We don't want to look at arm. We want to go to this one here. Okay, welcome to this next lesson, which is going to be showing nature, how to capture animals, which is something that so many different artists like to try, very unsuccessfully usually. The idea of capturing an animal in a picture is a fanciful one, and what I'm going to start out doing here is I'm just doing the background to give a time and a place to this vision that I'm going to present to you, which you can see at the top of the lion. I'm going to give you that majesty. Now, people say the lion is the king of the jungle. It's a misnomer. The lion is, of course, the king of the savannah. Now, bear with me while I just do the body here, which we're filling in. The lion, as everyone knows, is this huge creature which gives the majesty to all beasts, and fills you with horror sometimes when you see it. The beautiful mane, the ferocious teeth, the pride that follow them, and the pride that they give within themselves. The tail, the body, everything about them is telling you that they are the king of their space. And so I think here we've captured that. Now, you could add more detail in the background if you want, but I think the most important thing here is to really focus on that lion. Focus on that lion. Stare into their eyes. Imagine you are there in the savannah with them. Focus there. Look at the beautiful lips. The lips that are beckoning you towards them, and you would be lured towards them. They would savage you. And that is the lesson for today. That's capturing animals. Thank you very much.